Hey, I'm JC with CIS Trading and the TradingView Toolkit, introducing the all-new CIS CCT GG Market Vision 2020 indicator for active trading on the trading ladder for the TradingView.com chart package. This particular indicator, which is the blue and green cloud that you see that sort of has the jagged looking bubbles, actually defines the active trading market levels for both the target, the pro trading level, and the market level, and the core value for the pro trading algorithm on the CIS CCT GG Market Vision 2020 indicator. So what I'm going to do is just allow this chart to run. You can watch how it works. You can see where all of those targets are. You can see where the price is. You can see where the CIS GG Pro Metrics algorithm target level is, which is one step ahead. So you're always looking relative to the previous step on the algorithm, which is the white line that runs through the chart. You can see the buy-sell arrows for the algorithm and the color-coded candlesticks based on the algorithm value for the Great Gatsby Pro Trader candlesticks. And we can watch this 1 minute chart of the US dollar Japanese yen for a little while. You can take a look at what the new indicator looks like, how it functions. Keep in mind that it is for active trading. So for those of you who like to use the ladder when you're trading foreign exchange markets, it's the perfect solution because it gives you all of your key levels. It lets you know when there's inversion in the market, when your minimum and maximum levels are actually inverted and there's mathematical inversion within the markets. And you can see exactly where your potential levels are, where your core target price value is relative to your market value, your target maximum and minimum levels, your pro trading levels, both to the upside and to the downside if the market moves in that direction. It's an advanced indicator. You can actually use the CIS CCT GG Market Vision, which is a quorum capitalism theorem series solution for identifying your key pro trading levels. And I'll release a video later on that goes over all the different utilities of the new CIS CCT GG Market Vision 2020 indicator for TradingView. But for right now, I just wanted to give you an opportunity to take a look at this US dollar Japanese yen on a 1 minute chart. You can watch the complete function of the indicator and the CIS GG Pro Metrics TradingView Toolkit algorithm. You can watch how price moves in between these key levels. It works in conjunction with your active trading ladder on your platform. It makes it much easier to predefine your trading between levels, whether you're buying or selling, trading above and below the core value, which is one of the pro trading principles. The key color scheme with the blue and the green clouds is also identified by the pro trading value from the pro trading seminar and the pro trading methodology that I instruct. So take a look at this chart for the US dollar Japanese yen. It's a 1 minute chart, and we'll watch this here for a few minutes, and then I'll close the video up and you can see how this works. And I'll follow this up in the future with some instructional video on some of the different utilities and functionalities for the CIS CCT GG Market Vision 2020 indicator. It does offer some predictive solutions as well as certain combinations and patterns within the indicator, identify certain potentials within the market, which goes with the potential range of trading methodology. So let's just watch this US dollar Japanese yen 1 minute chart. Currently, you can see that all of the indicator values are blue. and they just switched over to green. The blue is when the pro trading value signal for the pro trading methodology is bearish, and the green is if that pro trading value is offering a bullish signal. You can see how price sort of moves up to and through those levels and then comes back down toward that core value. The CIS quorum capitalism theorem adjusted core value isn't the same as the pro trading methodology core value. It's an algorithmic value that's adjusted, so it's a little bit different than the traditional core value, but it's a central market value level for the trend, for the trade. And when you're using the active trading ladder for trading the foreign exchange markets, it sort of offers you a central inside-out basis for trading and an outside-in basis for trading. So a couple of insights here as we're watching this. If you look 3 candles back from the current candle, you have that sort of bullish candle that's still showing a sell signal. That's candle 1 in our pro trading trend. Then candle 2 is also still in that pro trading trend sequence, even though it's counter trend. Candle 1 and candle 2 can be counter trend or trending. And then this third candle, which is the current candle, has to be a trending bullish candle to confirm pro trader trend. Now pro trader trend is only a 4 candle trend, and candle 3 and 4 have to be trending candle in the signal direction for pro trading trend to be active. So we currently have active pro trading trend on candle 3. We have a candle 1 bullish, a candle 2 counter trend, but still confirming the trend signal. And now we're on candle 4 pro trading trend, and we're looking for a target value up to this 109.25. Let's see if it gets up there. So if we were trading this here, we would be trading it for about maybe 8 ticks to a full pip from this 109.08. You see how it's trading below the core now? We need, remember, a bullish candle 4 on this current candle. Have about 20 seconds left in that candle to confirm the pro trading trend. And then we would have a pro trading trend established in that 4 candle sequence if this is a bullish candle 4. If it's not a bullish candle 4 and it's a counter trend candle or a bearish candle, that would be candle 1 in an alternative pro trading trend going the other direction. So it turned out to be sort of a doji spinning candle. And we're going to count that as a candle 4. And so now we have pro trading trend from the low of candle 1 to the low of candle 4. And you can see our algorithm levels are up there at the 109.025 area. And the market vision indicator is confirming a move from this 109, it was 08, now we're at 109.015, up to 109.025. So we have a chance in there for about a pip and a half gain. But as that market moves higher, those values will also adjust based on the real conditions of the market. So it's excellent for trading an active trading ladder because you can get into the market, let's say at 108, or 109.08, or 109.008 and 8 ticks. You can get in that trade there, and you can buy up to a certain threshold. Let's say up to 109.02. You can put in buy orders all the way up through and carry that position. And then when it gets above that 109.02, reassess your exit. And this would be a great way to trade using the active trading ladder on your platform. So we're coming up now right at this 109.021. We're right at the underside of our pro trading trend. Just broke through it between candle 1 and candle 4 of our initial trend sequence. And there we go. You can see where we're popping up to that 109.025, and you can see how the levels started to adjust higher. That was our initial target. Now that's our pro level. And right now you're looking at a diamond top on this 1 minute if we don't break this high. And there it goes. So we're looking for a move even higher, potentially all the way up to this 109.03. So right there, we're up right now 2 pips, almost 2 pips, 1.8 pips. Just using our active trading ladder and using the CCT market vision. Our current algorithm level is at 4. Our prior algorithm level is at about 3.5, which shows still a higher trade. So when you're thinking about one of the pro trading principles, the very first primary principle of pro trading is buy lower and sell higher. And one thing that the Market Vision CISCCT core value offers you as a basis for determining what is really lower is right below that core to a target higher. And see, now we're up almost 2.5 pips on that trade just now, on that peak high. So that's $25 in just, about 5-6 minutes? If you're trading one full lot. So it's a perfect solution, the all-new CISCCT GG Market Vision 2020, a perfect trading solution for using the active trading ladder and making trading decisions to where you can set your trades up from below the core value to the maximum levels. We're looking at inversion now. I would be looking to exit this position at this 109.35 area as it moves higher, and looking at a potential of a reversal as it starts to peak. So when it comes up to this algorithm level on the previous step on this white line, if it was to come up into that level, or I got a counter trend signal here like I have now, and I had an opportunity to sell it above the core, which is above 109.041, I would want to maybe look at a scalp opportunity to get in initially and then pro trade that using the pro trading methodology and the Market Vision 2020 indicator to set up my trade on my active trading ladder and short that position from that 109.041 or higher area. Because when you're looking at the labels on the right hand side, maximum levels should be at the top and minimum levels should be at the bottom. Anytime inversion comes into the market, what inversion signals is compression in the market, where from this expansion in price, you're about to see a compression and then a potential reversal or a continuation of expansion. And a lot of times, the market's looking for sort of a comeback or a pullback when inversion is in the marketplace to regain market value and realign the maximum minimum levels. So if the minimum levels, where it says minimum market, minimum target, minimum pro, if those move to the top and the maximum levels move to below the core, so here we are, we got up above that 109.041. When that inversion came in 3 candles prior on our peak high bullish candle, that signaled an opportunity to start to get short above that 109.04 area. And you can see that right now, you see that pressure come into the market, watching the indicator. And now our maximum and our minimum levels are back in line. And that's a Prometrics algorithm divergence scalp short right there off that peak high up there at that 109.04 area. And you can see as it started to move down there that we started to get the sell signal on this current candle. We had one on the previous candle. We had a false inside bar short break. And the market's testing that sort of divergent price action, and it's finding it. You can see right there that pressure comes in. Very close to a Prometrics reversal on a 3-bar reversal. If the current algorithm level comes down before the third algorithm level previous. So on our initial trade, when you were looking at where we began from 109.008, we were looking at a long from around what would have been 1.3 on the offer, and we exited that trade around the 109.35 to 109.04, and then now we're looking short from above this 104.1 area and looking for a short play back down. And we can set that up very easily on our active trading ladder. So we can get inside the market using the Market Vision 2020 indicator and set our pro trading ladder up when we have the buy conditions to buy from below the core up to our target levels, and then let the trade go. And then as soon as we see an opportunity to short that position, we get a signal like we had inversion come in where the minimum levels went to the top of the chart and the maximum levels came down below the core. We could exit our trade, look for an opportunity to get short at the next peak, get short the market above 109.04, and now we're trading at 109.032, and then just use those levels to set up that short position to short it down to our core value. And right now our core value is right at that 109.04 area. So with that CIS-CCT core value, which is the orange label on the right hand side at 109.04, that's where we could see once price moved beyond that 104 area, it was an opportunity to look to short. And now that's our key breakdown level for the current price action. So we don't have any pro trading trend set up on a short, but we do have a diamond top in. We did peak down below it, so we played out that diamond to the short side where you have inside bar at the very top of the 1 minute chart there. And now we're coming down into our minimum targets on that short. And now we're all the way down to 109.027. 029 on the offer, and so right there we had another pip and a half short, so we got about 3 pips on the long trade, another pip and a half short. So in about 12 minutes you're making about $50 on a full lot using that active trading ladder. Now if you are leveraging when you're using the active trading ladder and you're trading multiple lots, trading from the core value to the initial market value and then letting the trade go, exiting at the peak, looking for a reversal at the next peak, active trading that down in leverage. If you added, 4 or 5 lots in between those levels at every tick or every other tick, when you're trading those active trading ladders, you're making an exponential return on your money with multiple lots to where what was just with one lot an initial $50 trade in 12 minutes, and at 12 minutes you could have made about anywhere between $250 to $400, for example, if you were active trading full lots between the core value and the market targets long and short. So with the CIS-CCT GG Market Vision, you get your target levels which are real-time adjusted levels for your active trading. So you're going to trade from below the core to your maximum market level, and then from above into your target levels at your maximum levels, short, down to below the core and to your minimum market pro and target levels. So it's a way to set your active trading ladder up to where you're adding those multiple positions on your active trading ladder between the ranges of your entry to your first to second levels in the trend direction, and then letting the trade go, and you're averaging into that position as it's moving in your favor and increasing your potential gains once it gets to a break. So right now we're on candle 3 on a diamond top short on Pro Trader Trend short. So we have candle 1, bearish candle from 3 candles ago. That's a Pro Trading Trend candle 1. Candle 2 confirmed the short, but it was a counter trend candle, but we're still going to stay short that with that doji. And this candle 3 has to be a trending candle bearish. If it's not a bearish trending candle, then that would end our Pro Trading Trend sequence. So we have about 5 seconds left on this minute, and if that confirms that it's going to close, we would exit our short right here and then look to possibly get long this trade from below the core. And so now we're back long this trade around the 109.025.024 level. And so we're off about 2 ticks, but we should pop up there to this 109.03 and at least give us a couple ticks. And when you're trading those active trading ladders, a lot of times on a 1 minute chart especially, you're looking at those type of trading ranges. You're trading multiple positions inside of a pip to exits outside of a pip and a half or 2 pip movement. So you're averaged in at about, let's say, half of that full pip, and then once the market moves another pip, you're exiting that whole position and you're making gains on multiple lots for a pip and a half. So make sure to watch this video. Just look at how the algorithm for the CCT-GG Market Vision 2020 works. Watch the Market Vision indicator. Look at how the signals and the levels work. Watch how price moves from above the core to the targets below the core, from below the core to the targets back above the core, and how to set up that active trading ladder. So you can watch the video and at the same time consider looking at just the active trading ladder on your platform and how you can go ahead and preset all of your trades as far as your entries, short and long, and then you can exit or flatten your position when you reach a threshold or a pro trading condition that confirms an exit signal. So with this counter trend 2 candle in the previous candle confirming a pro trading trend, we're looking on the sequence of the last 4 candles at a possible spirit pattern with a move higher. So we were looking for a move from this 109.024. It dipped down a little bit below there on us, but we're looking for that move up above the 109.03 level. But it makes it very easy to manage your risk levels because they're all preset for you with the Market Vision. So when you get in the trade, you can minimize your risk very tight based on the levels, and you can go ahead and set up your active trading ladder all the way up to those target levels, averaging in the direction of your trade. So the CIS, CCT, GG Market Vision 2020 indicator is really for real trading. Continual, highly active, real trading. From entry to initial target, to reversal signal exit, to re-entry, trading all the way in the direction to your next initial target. So now we're on candle 3 on a bullish pro trading trend. And we're really close. We keep popping up there near our 109.03 target. And we're looking, we just now peaked to a high on our spirit pattern reversal to the upside, and now we're trading up above that 109.03. So we just made another full pip on that position. And we can, on our active trading ladder, we can trade every single tick. Let's say we want to trade the 3-lot position. We can add our entry, add another lot if it moves up 1 tick, add another lot if it moves up another tick, manage our risk with our minimum pro, minimum market, minimum target levels, or even using our core level as a way to manage that risk. And then when it pops up a pip, even though we're only going to make a net 7 ticks, we're going to make 7 ticks times 3 lots. So those 7 ticks, it's $7 times 3, we just made $21 within just a couple minutes. And so we're able to leverage higher with less risk. And that's always an advantage in the foreign exchange markets. And that's what CIS Quorum Capitalism Theorem Market Vision 2020 provides for highly active traders, real professional traders. Even though you might be at home trading, if you are an active trader that likes trading those trading ladders, and you trade multiple lot positions in the direction of your trade signals, that is real professional trading. So right now we would be looking at this current level. We've made now better than a pip and a half on our initial trade, and we're back up, just peaked up above that 109.04 area again. My next target is up at that 109.043, but you see how there's inversion that came in. Our minimum level shifted to the top. I'd exit my trade at that 109.04. Right? I would take my 2 pip gain, or my pip and a half gain, I'm sorry. Take my pip and a half gain, and then look for an opportunity to sell above that core value at a price above our exit also. So I want it to be above the core and above the exit of 109.04. So if it pops up above this 109.04, I would like to trade it short from above 109.04 back down to my minimum targets once I get the opportunity to enter that trade. So right now I'd be flat this position, and I would be waiting on this price to get up toward my target levels above this 109.04. And then I would look to short. You can see right now there's some short pressure in the market. We have a short signal. If we were pro trading this, we have candle 1, candle 2, currently short in pro trading trend. And candle 2 can be a counter trend candle, but right now it is a bearish candle. And we show a pro metrics reversal on the algorithm. But when active trading, I really like for my entry price to be above my prior exit, or below my prior exit if I'm shorting the position and I just exited my short. So once I get to a target and I see a condition or inversion where I want to exit the trade, and I exit the trade at 109.04, I want my next short entry position to be above that 109.04 area. I don't want to go in below my exit and then start to short if I can help it. I would like to be above my exit. If I was short the market and I was to get out of the short, when I exited that short, I would want my re-entry long to be below the value where I exited my short. So one thing that's incorporated into the principle and the algorithm construct of the CIS CCT GG Market Vision 2020 is the number one pro trading principle. Buying lower and selling higher is the only pro method. The only profitable results only method. The only pro method for trading is to buy lower and sell higher. And it really helps to keep you disciplined. So we're still sort of floating around in no man's land. I wouldn't have a position in this market yet until I got a great entry point. At this level, I wouldn't be looking at short anymore. I'd be starting to look for signs or opportunities to get long. So I have pro trading trend short. And I'm on candle 4, so I can draw from candle 1 at the top with a doji to the previous candle 4 from the two lows. The peak high on both of those candles, and that establishes my pro trading trend short. And I would just look for an opportunity to set up my ladder to begin to trade long. If it peaks up above that 109.04 that I was mentioning, I would be looking to try to get short this trade. And there we are. We're above 109. We got up to 109.042. That's where we would get short. I would get short that trade right there. And I would trade it short all the way down to 109.03 to my core value and then let the trade go. And currently I would already be up about 3 ticks on that trade and have 3 lots in that position. But I can set all that up in advance on my active trading ladder. I can use the CIS CCT GG Market Vision 2020 indicator to give me those levels in advance, and then I can go in and set my active trading ladder up in advanced stage. So once price moved above 109.04, I was short 109.04, and then when it got up there and I peaked, I would put 3 positions in on a 3 lot active trading short, and then as that moved down, I would be up almost right away. I'm up 3 ticks on 3 lots. So even though it's just $3 per lot, I made $9 in just a minute. Active trading. And I would still be short that position, and now I would be up half of a pip, 5 ticks times 3 lots. So that would be a pip and a half. That would be $15 in 3 minutes. I have a diamond reversal top in play. If you go back 4 candles, you can see inside bar, outside bar, inside bar. So that confirms just to stay short all the way down to my market target, my pro target, and my minimum target. And I have all those levels right there. And I'm already positioned. I already have my 3 lots in above the core. The current core is at 109.029, and my position was averaged in above 109.04. So I'm already up over a pip, and I'm just waiting the trade out, letting the trade move the rest of the way until I see a condition to reverse on my active trading ladder. And I can set all that up very quickly. So take a look at your active trading ladder look at how you would enter those trades, mess around with it on a paper account just to learn the functionality of it, and then watch and rewatch this video just to see how this CISCCT GG Market Vision 2020 really can become the perfect trading solution if you prefer highly active trading and taking these small gains and producing exponential returns by just taking these small gains. So we're still looking short. I would still be short this position from my entry at 109.04 with this diamond from 6 previous candles. You can see the inside bar at the low, then we popped up with a bullish candle, and then had the inside bar doji. We should see price move down below that low on that diamond pattern. You know, I'm safe in my entry above 109.04 already. And we should see this push. It should break this low here. I can see the compression in it. See how that happens, and then you start to see the expansion in price. And now I've got down below my algorithm level at 109.02, and I would be looking to possibly exit my trade here, and I would have made about 1.7, 1.6 pips on the trade on 3 lots. So I would have made $45 in 7 minutes. Again, I'm JC, the author and instructor for Pro Trading, the creator of Thinkorswim Toolkit and TradingView Toolkit, with the all-new 2020 release of the CISCCT GG Market Vision Active Trading Indicator Solution, a best-in-world solution for highly active trading using ladders and foreign exchange, looking at the US dollar Japanese yen on a 1-minute chart. And I'm just going to kind of stay quiet now and let you just watch this work. As you do, just keep an eye on your levels. You can see where it says max market, max pro, max target. Then at the bottom you have minimum market, minimum pro, minimum target. And then in the center you always have your CIS Quorum Capitalism Theorem algorithm adjusted core value. And you can see where that minimum market level popped above our core. When that happens, that's inversion. That's an opportunity to look at a reversal short. But we're already short the position in the trade example. So, when you are watching it, just watch for that inversion where you see your minimum maximum levels invert to the opposite side of the core, because that's telling you that there's a reversal condition, some compression and pressure coming into the market, and there's a reversal condition that's imminent. So I'm just going to kind of leave this up and let you watch it for a few minutes. So right here at 109.043, we would start to get short in this trade. All right, you can see where inversion came into the market and our minimum levels are above our core. We would be looking to short this trade at 109.043 and go ahead and put our entries in up to 109.045 and down to 109.04, again re-entering short to trade down to our lower levels. And look at that, you can see how that market starts to move lower right away, and then that inversion goes away, and now our minimum levels are back on the bottom and our maximum levels are back on the top. And you can do that on your active trading ladder by just very quick clicks is all it takes, and you can put those 3 lot positions in. So we're short right at that 109.043 all the way down to 109.04, and we're already up 2 ticks on 3 lots. Now that's just $2 per lot, but that's $6 in 1 minute. I just made $6 in 1 minute, and I have a good short position that should follow through at least to my minimum target levels, which are around 109.02. So I'm making, even though I'm only making 1 pip to 2 pip, 3 pip gains potentially on my trades, I'm making them in multiple leverage with 3 lot positions, and on a 1, 2, 3 pip trade, I'm making 1 times 3. I'm making 3 full pips, $30 in 2 or 3 minutes. $60 on 2 lot trades in 2 or 3 minutes. On 3 lot trades, I could be making $90+ in some cases very quickly. Trading inside of these market vision levels. And I have the ability to set it up, to preset all those entries. Once I get a signal, I can just click, click, click based on where my current levels are. So again, we're short from above 109.04. We have a 3 lot position there. And we're shorting this down to our minimum target levels. So if we get that move where we go from 109.037, where we're up just 3 ticks, and it breaks down all the way down to these minimum levels on our indicator, we're making about a pip and a half to 3 pips on 3 lots. And that's $90 in just a few minutes if it gets all the way down to 109.01. We're on candle 3 on Pro Trading Trend Short. You can see candle 1 on our first sell signal, candle 2. So both of those can be either trending, bearish trending, or counter trend bearish. And we need this candle 3 to confirm our short position, or we could just take our small 3 tick gain at this 109.037. But one thing the CIS CCT GG Market Vision 2020 provides for you, especially with the TradingView.com chart package and platform, is being able to pre-position your trade and be in a winning position very quickly to at least take some small gains out of the market with some exponential leverage returns. So this is the US dollar, Japanese yen in focus, 1 minute. I'm JC with CIS Trading, the creator of TradingView Toolkit, the CIS GG Pro Metrics Auto Execution Algorithm for TradingView.com, and the all-new CIS CCT Series GG Market Vision 2020 Indicator. So take a look at this video, re-watch it a couple of times, do some practice work on your paper trading account just with your order entry and execution and getting used to sort of the active trading ladder. And then watch this video again and look at the advantage of having this type of perfect solution for your technical trading decisions when using that highly active trading format that's available with the ladder trading for foreign exchange markets. I'm JC. Have a great week.